Efaka isicelo sebheyili, uMbhoro uthe kumele ayobheka umonakalo wenzeka ebandleni lakhe ngesikhathi lishiswa umphakathi. Uthi kunabantu abaqashile lapha kanti ukumgcina ejele kuzokwenza ukuthi balahlekelwe umsebenzi.
The church employ more than 30 people who depend on me for their living as I run an institution which employ them. And if I'm detained until the end of the trial, they will lose their jobs and their livelihood will be affected.
Uthi angeke alivumelele icala kanti angeke awusabise umphakathi nofakazi. Kodwa ke unemali engamakhulu amahlanu amarandi kuphela yebheyili.
I have 500 rand available for bail as I'm overburdened with responsibilities.
Umbuso utshele inkantolo ukuthi uMbhoro useke waboshwa izikhawu eziyishiyagalolunye.
He was arrested 9 times and all 9 cases were withdrawn were withdrawn for various reasons. Some of those cases are still under investigation.
Icala lihlehliselwe umsombuluko.